Hey everyone, in this video I will be teaching you a very easy SMC trading strategy. Actually I saw this strategy on YouTube and I thought I can make it even more simple. So here I am making this video. And trading is all about keeping things simple. Trading is supposed to be easy money. If you complicate things then it's not easy money and you won't trade for long, like you will give up. So you have to keep things simple. And this strategy actually is really an easy one, okay? Like you will really enjoy this. First let me draw you a structure which is very familiar. You will hear about it a lot. Like if it's moving up, you will hear a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, okay? Like this is a common pattern. But the difficult thing is where to enter in a trend, okay? And if it's a downtrend, then higher low, okay, lower low, lower high, okay? This is a common structure, okay? But the difficult thing about this is getting an entry, okay? So if you see a trend like this, we will discuss an uptrend, okay? You can use 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart, okay? And then you can even go to smaller frames like 5 minutes or 15 minutes. I usually use 5 minutes and 15 minutes, okay? So you got a trend like this, okay? From here we will draw a line. Let me draw another line, okay? Now it pumps from here. You missed this one. Went up, here it got rejected, and now it's coming down. So the difficult thing here is will it bounce from this area or will it break this support and go down? So we will use ICT concepts here. Like if it's going down, then for entry you will shift to smaller time frames, okay? If this thing keeps coming down straight like this, then it won't hold this support, okay? You won't enter if it's going straight down, okay? And the best structure for an entry is if it pumps, then on smaller time frames you get a structure like this. Like you get an accumulation, okay, then you get a manipulation, and then you can enter, okay? This is the conformation. If you get a structure like this, let me draw another one. If it went up, here it got rejected, and here it started accumulation, and then it pumped, then it's a red line. You won't enter, okay? Like it will break the structure. So this is your confirmation. Like a PO3 will form here. Let me draw it. This will be your accumulation, okay? Then you will get your manipulation, and then you will get your continuation. So on smaller time frame, if you get a structure like this, then it's your confirmation. Also if you want to be even more careful, then you can wait for a structure like this, okay? Let me draw it on smaller time frames, okay, or 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Like it will accumulate here, then you will get manipulation, then you will get a breakout structure. Like it will close above this area, and then there will be a fair value gap, and here you will enter towards that trend line, okay? So by using a simple trend line you can trade and you can be profitable, okay? Like it's not that tough. Let me show you an example here. I will shift to 1 hour. Let me show you an example. Okay, here you see this is a trend line, okay? Let me draw another one. So it went up, okay? And now here you would think whether to get an entry or not. So what you do is you shift to smaller time frames. Like I will shift to 15 minutes and we will see. You see Here you got the accumulation. Okay, then what happened was you got the manipulation. Okay, the structure got broken to the upside, it filled that gap, and see, we got the continuation. So using the trend line, and then by shifting to smaller time frames, you can get a good entry for long or shorts. Okay, see, again here you got the accumulation, manipulation, and then the continuation. Here you got the accumulation. Let me draw it. On 5 minutes chart, it would be more prominent. Like this was the accumulation, now the manipulation and continuation. Okay, so it's easy